Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to talk about how to create App Engine and how we can deploy a Python based application into App Engine. So let's go ahead and start, and step by step just follow the process. So first what we will do is just click on navigation menu and click on all products. So as soon as you navigate to the all products, so in the left hand side you click on serverless. So as soon as you navigate to serverless page, then as you can see the App Engine option is there. Then you click on App Engine. Then what you will do, just click on create application. Once you click on create application, then based on that you have to select the region, which region you are going to create a App Engine. So now let me select the Asia South one, and let me create one service account. So need one service account for this App Engine. So App Engine demo. So in App Engine demo, just I want to create a service account. So in this video also I am going to show you the how to create a service account. So in service account, let me select for now, this is the owner for now for this demo purpose, but list privilege rule you have to take. So now all set. Now click on done. Now created. So what we will do here, just come back to the compute engine page. Then here you select the App Engine service account which you created now. So click on refresh list. So as you can see, App Engine demo which I created right now, so it is displaying now. So let me select that. Then what you will do, we will just click on next. So as soon as you click on next, the configuration application will start. So here configuration application is being started. Let's wait for some times. As you can see now, the next process what we will have to do. So how we can deploy application, let me show you. For this demo perspective, so let me select the language. For this demo perspective I select Python. Then which environment, so in App Engine there is two environment, one is standard and another one is flexible. So let me go with standard for now, and then let me go to the public GitHub repo which will create a demo for you how we can deploy the application. So let me take the hello world application for now, and let me clone this code from the public repo. Just copy, and what I'll do, let me for now I'll use Google Cloud Shell. So in Google Cloud Shell, let me clone that. So already, as you can see, I have already cloned that code here. Let me quickly check. ls my hyphen ltr. So yes. So if you have not cloned the code, so let me tell you the command git clone, and you can put the copy of the public GitHub repo. So this is the one, but I have already cloned the code, so let me skip this step. And after you clone the code, you have to go to the hello world path. So path you have to select Python doc sample, then you will go to App Engine, then standard, then after that hello world. So in this hello world, so the program is here. So let me show you that program. So this is the program, as you can see in the hello world program, and this is my YML file. Piece of YML file will help us to deploy, and my piece of code, this is the piece of code. Welcome to App Engine Google Cloud. So what I will do here, let me go to terminal, and the project we need to change. So how to change the project name, because this is a different project, so it will not work for me. So now let me go to change the project. gcloud config set project and then project id. So my current project id, let me copy that project id. This one my project id, let me copy the project id, paste over here. So now let me update the project. So there is some typo mistake in the config, let me fix that. Config, so now it will update the project id. Okay, so now what I'll do, let me check the details. Yes, this is correct. Now let me deploy the application. So gcloud app deploy will deploy the code. So here let me, do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. So now deployment is being started. So it will take some time to deploy the code into App Engine standard. So we'll wait for that. As you can see, now the deployment completed. So the command gcloud app browser command to check the URL and you can just validate the application deployment. You can see welcome to App Engine Google Cloud, and this content as you can see now. So already my application is deployed. So now I am going to do, I am going to create the version 2. For example, I want to deploy the version 2 code. So let me change something here. App Engine Google Cloud welcome to App Engine standard version v2. So let me again deploy it. So I change the modification on the code. Then now what we'll do, we'll just deploy the again deployment version 2 I want to deploy, and once the deployment done, then I'll check. So my version 2 should be deployed now. Just after deployment we'll check whether the version 2 deployed correctly or not. I'll check and validate it. So generally it will take some time to deploy the code into app standard, but almost done. Yeah, okay, now let's go ahead and check. Okay, so now what's the command to check the URL, and this is the URL to check. You can see my version 2 is also updated as expected. So now I'll just go to the service and check the version, also version 1 and version 2 should be there. As you can see, earlier I had deployed one version, then now again I updated the code and deploy again, and that is version 2. So likewise you can also do that. And what you can do, and also you can split the traffic. For example, if you want to split the traffic with the previous one, or if you want to create a percentage traffic like 80-20, so that can be done also once it is saved. So let me show you EC20 traffic will be diverted into your version 1 and version 2. So let me back to the, as you can see, the first one is the 80% and the updated one is the 20%. So definitely it is required whenever you are going to deploy a new updated features, so the testing is required. So in that case you can few version of your deployment, new deployment, you can allow for the end user for the testing. So this is the nice features in App Engine. So that is very good features in App Engine, so I very much like it. And I think this video will be helpful, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video like this. Thank you. Bye bye.